7 side hustles Americans are using in 2026 and making money at home. And most people have no idea how. Are you still out of it? This isn't Uber or food delivery, this is next level. 1. AI content creation. People are using AI to create videos, posts, and even entire YouTube channels. 2. Social media promotion. They promote products and earn commissions without inventory. 3. Print on demand. Design once, sell hoodies, mugs, and merch forever. 4. Faceless YouTube channels. No camera. No face. Just AI plus editing equals passive income. 5. Dropshipping, smart version. Using AI ads plus trending products, not random guessing. 6. Digital products. Selling ebooks, templates, and courses online, high profit, no shipping. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promoting tools and apps, and earning every time someone signs up. The scary part? Most people will ignore this and stay broke. But if you want to know more and chase the hustle, do comment your hustle, I will make full tutorial video on them. Follow for more AI secrets. Like and subscribe Future IQ to get ahead from others.